Potential Arsenal buyer Daniel Ek is said to be convinced that his dreams of completing a takeover of the club have been boosted by a court case that concerns Stan Kroenke. Daniel Ek is said to have been boosted in his lingering hopes of completing a takeover of Arsenal due to a court case that concerns current owner and billionaire businessman Stan Kroenke. Ek, a billionaire entrepreneur and technologist from Sweden, is best known as being the co-founder and CEO of Spotify, and detailed his love for Arsenal on Twitter back in April. He wrote, "As a kid growing up, I've cheered for Arsenal as long as I can remember. If KSE would like to sell Arsenal, I'd be happy to throw my hat in the ring." While Ek put together a consortium that included the expertise of Patrick Vieira, Thierry Henry and Dennis Bergkamp, Kroenke firmly declared that he was going nowhere. However, The Sun have reported that Ek is convinced that he has been helped in his pursuit of Arsenal because Kroenke and other NFL figures are being sued by the city of St. Louis. The case, which could cost £700 million in compensation, relates to the relocation of Kroenke's Los Angeles Rams, who were known as the St. Louis Rams between 1999 and 2015, with a judge in the United States recently ruling that he wants to see financial records of NFL team owners. A settlement yet could be forced out of Kroenke down the line, Ek said of his stance back in May. This week an offer was made to both Josh Kroenke and their bankers that included fan ownership, representation at board and a golden share for the supporters. They replied that they don't need the money. "I respect the decision but remain interested and available should that situation ever change." With Josh Kroenke telling a fan forum, "I still believe we're fit to carry on in our positions as custodians of Arsenal. We were put in a very difficult position by forces outside of the club, to go back to those original questions that we got wrong. Those were the questions we asked ourselves, and that's why I'm here to try and piece everything back together over time. I'm not asking for your trust immediately. We have the same plans for summer as we had a few weeks ago. And I'm so excited about those. I might be met with distrust and skepticism, but over time I hope to re-establish a relationship with our supporter groups and show them we're capable of leading the club forward."